So, okay, dear student, today I shall go beyond your subject. Easily I teach your English subject, sometimes I teach you political science. So, thereafter, today I shall not cover your course. Out of the course, today I shall visit. Okay, do you agree? Yes or no? Yes. That's okay, so, good. So, first of all, I have to ask you some question, very easier question. Are you ready to give me reply of this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I want to ask you, where the student come to learn? Where the student usually come?
In school.
Yes, you stand please. In
School.
In school, yes. And where the student come? Usually?
In college.
In college, yes, you are correct. Good, okay. So sit. Student come to learn in school. Thereafter, I have to ask you some other question. Then, why the student come to school? Why the student come to the school? You, stand up, say. Learning, yes, right. Another one, you? What?
Knowledge.
For knowledge, yes, for knowledge. And anyone else? Why the student come to school for?
For education.
For education, isn't it? So, okay, correct, thanks. Everyone answered correctly. So, I have to ask another question. What is an education? What is an education? Or define education? Anyone can say it. What is an education? Anyone? So see here. Education.
Education is modification of behavior.
Yes, you are correct. Education is the modification of behavior through experience and training. Yes, good, correct. Okay, see. Education is the modification of behavior through experience and training. So it is the schools. It is the schools. We came here for learning knowledge. We came here for education. Why we came here? For education. So education means the modification of behavior. Our behavioral modification. Clear? If we unable to modify our behavior, then education will be meaningless. Then education will be meaningless. We have to make our education meaningful. What? Meaningful. In meaningful way, we have to learn the education. Clear? So, thereafter I want to ask another things that why we study hard at the house. We open the books. We open the exercise book and write. Why is that? Why we study more and more only the books at the house? Why? If I ask you the question, you will generally give the reply. For securing percentage. For securing percentage. For securing good division, isn't it? For finding good division or securing good percentage, it is the aim. It is your aim. But actually, inaccurately, is it the aim of our education? No. Education is the modification of behavior. So besides our schooling books, beside the books of our syllabus, we have to learn various things. We have to learn some more things. Because in the definition of the education having there, modification of behavior through experience and training, you will see that the people who is uneducated, who is unlearned person, who is illiterate person, his talking way, his speaking way, his working system, and his style and strategy all are not alike with an educated person. Is it right? So you are educated, your working style and the one who is uneducated, styles are not be similar. Never be similar. His systems, his strategy, and your strategy, your system, your technique and your are completely different. So, thereafter, my dear student, if you learn only the 5 books, you are the student of HS second year, is not it?
Yes.
You are a student of 12. So, thereafter, you understand betterly. Only the 5 books is not sufficient for you to become an educated person. Only the 5 books is that sufficient for you?
No.
In order to become an ideal educated, only the 5 books are not sufficient for you. Only the 5 books are not sufficient for you. Imagine itself. We have to learn, we have to attain, we have to be trained. We need to learn, we have to attain. What the things we have to attain? Behavioral modification. Behavior. First I have to write here behavior. See. Duster. Okay, now you can see here what is the behavior. We come to know the behavior, then we have to start with the 7 components of the behavior. Yes, what are the 7 components? See here. First, communication, then confidence, then commitment, then compassion, then coordination, then cooperation, then consistency. Hey, so the behavior is consist of 7 components. Hey, 7 components. If you don't have communication skill, don't have confidence, neither commitment nor compassion, and no coordination, no cooperation, and don't have any consistency, your education will be meaningless, because you only learned questions and answers. The aim of the education won't be fulfilled. Hey, what you have learned? You learn nothing. You just only attain only 3 hours. You attain only 3 hours. 3 hours means 3 hours. 3 hours means what? R. Reading, writing, and arithmetics. Your education is confined with the 3 wall. With the 3 wall, your education is confined. You are not an ideal idiot, but you are a learned man. You are a learned man. You learn various things. You learn how to write. You learn how to read. You learn how to do arithmetics, mathematical calculation. You learn, but you are not an educated one. In order to be an ideally educated, you must learn other 7 C's. Okay, I told here communication, confidence, commitment, compassion, coordination, and their cooperation. How? If you don't do any cooperation with our neighbors, with our relatives, with our friends, if you don't have any good cooperation, good relation, then what is the fruit of education? So education, behavior denote all those things. Cooperation, and lastly, what is that? Consistency. Subutiyat. Consistency. If you don't have any consistency in your commitment, if you don't have any consistency in your compassion, in your coordination, so all the learning, only the learning books, only the committing books or memorizing the question answer will not come in use in your life. In order to be a perfect man, in order to be an ideally educated man, then thereafter you have to attain all the C's. We know for the result we achieve the good marks. For that reason we read, we study, we write the books at our house, in your drawing room, in your reading room. Is not it? Correct. But we never think of all of those things. If you want to be recounted as an educated one, you must have to learn all those things. You will be an educated one. Your education is not confined with the 3 wall. Learning education is not confined to the 3 wall, that is reading, writing, and arithmetics. In the 3 wall, in the 3 corner wall, your education is not confined. Nowadays many people are there who learn the education, but they don't have communication skill. They don't know how to behave with his relatives. They don't know how to behave with their neighbors. We have to learn all those things. For that reason, it is the training also. School is a social agency. From the various agencies are there, various platforms are there to learn education. Suppose market, YouTube, Wikipedia, and various things are available. Thereafter, dear student, you are reading in HS second year. I think it is required only to
and numbers of question and answers to the student.
You can understand it is the 21st century. If you want to learn anything, suppose who is the PM of the India, who is the EM of the India, who is the rail minister, such a question, if you search in Wikipedia, it will come, the answer will come to your mobile phone, in your handset. Am I right or wrong? All the question come in your handset. You will find the clear solution of the question. But I think if we confine with the books, with the syllabus, then the aim of the education will not be fulfilled. The aim of the education will not be fulfilled. Aim of the education is the modification of behavior. What's the things? Modification of behavior. So in the behavior existing all those things. We read for certificate, is not it? For good marks and good percentage. For good marks, for getting the letters marks, star marks, it is our aim. But we attend the certificate 1C, certificate 1C, but many other C are there. Here is 1C, another C confidence, another C commitment, another C compassion, another C coordination, another C cooperation, another C consistency. So all those C we have to attain in our life, then we will be an ideal educated one. If you want to be an educated, we have to learn all those things. Many of the people don't know the aim of the education. So it is the platform of your training with your friend. Another important thing you have to note up. Teacher cannot teach the student. Then what the teachers do? But a teacher can assist the learner how to learn. A teacher can assist the learner